Savannah Pkwy at East Bidwell Street. Some more brand new Polara iNS buttons. See what they like.
Wait.
Still the same chirping and clicking sound. Same rapid tick. And this is cool. One black one and one green one.
Wait.
And then this one. Huh. They put the sign that says push or wave, but it's actually an iNS.
Wait.
You can't wave your hand at this.
Wait.
Still not programmed. That's kind of funny that they put a push or wave at button for a walk signal, even though you can't wave your hand at this. Here, these walk signals.
Wait.
Same one.
Wait.
Yeah, these signals are pretty cool. I like the walk signals. Before, this was just like a very small road, and then the neighborhood was just a field like this. And they're gonna build houses over there too pretty soon. This one.
Wait.
Same one.
Wait.
Going off very soon. Yep. The same ones on this side. All our iNS buttons.
Wait.
That's it for this video. I'm gonna find a different section now. See you later.